refractive index of ground glass for blue and red lights are 1.51 and 1.59. That is ground glass refractive index for blue is 1.51 and refractive index for red light is equal to 1.49 given. And for the flint glass, refractive index for blue, you can call it blue is 1.77 and refractive index for flint glass refractive index for blue is 1.77 and red is for 1.73. It means what? It means white light is passing through the crown, prism of the crown, and they have taken the refractive index of blue and refractive index of the red. It means refractive, this is for red, this is for blue, and this is yellow. Out of all 7 colors, he has given the refractive index of red and blue. So mean refractive index is for yellow color. And an isosceles prism of 60 degree. So angle of is equal to 6 degree is made up of crown glass. So there is a prism made up of crown glass, isosceles glass, and another glass made out of flint glass. And it is also isosceles prism, and combined with this crown glass is combined with flint glass, and no deviation is produced. No deviation is produced. It means no deviation. It means net deviation is equal to 0. That is, deviation produced net is equal to plus deviation produced by crown and deviation produced by brown is equal to 0. So D of C, deviation of crown glass is equal to U refractive index for yellow glass into its angle of deviation. And for the flint glass refractive index for yellow light -1 into angle of deviation. This is for crown, this is for flint, and both are having a different angular prism. Then only no deviation is possible. If both are having same material and same angle of deviation, there won't be deviation and there won't be dispersions also. So since this gives the why we are taking the refractive index for the mean deviation for crown, mean deviation for the flint. So we are taking refractive index for the yellow color because that is the mean refractive index for both blue and red. For both blue and red. So for crown glass refractive index of yellow is equal to refractive index of blue plus refractive index of red divided by 2, which is equal to refractive index of blue for crown glass is 1.51 plus 1.49 divided by 2. So 1.59 plus 1.49 divided by 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. So refractive index for yellow color is for crown glass is equal to 1.5. Same way for flint glass refractive index is equal to for blue color and for red color divided by 2. This is equal to, which is equal to for blue color 1.77 plus 1.732. 7 plus 3 is equal to 0. 3.75 is equal to 3.70. 3.5. So y of yellow color for the front is equal to 1.75. So we got this one. No deviation, net deviation is equal to 0. Net deviation is equal to 0 means for the crown glass and the blue glass is equal to 0, which is equal to this plus this equal to 0. That is, BC is this much and DB is this much. This plus this is equal to 0. Or we can write y minus 1 into E for crown glass, y dash minus 1 into A dash is equal to 0. Net is equal to R A dash. That is angle of prism for the second one. Second one is flint. So what he is asking, find the angle of prism and dispersion. Find the angle of prism of the flint. So A dash is equal to, if you take that one, minus your y minus 1 into E divided by, this is for crown, this is for flint, is equal to minus y by y. So for the yellow color deviation for the crown is equal to 1.5 minus 1, 1.5 minus 1 into angle of, for the first, that is crown glass, is n to 6 divided by this. For the yellow color of the flint glass is equal to 1.75 minus 1. So this becomes, this is for the angular prism of the flint glass. First one is, this is for crown, this is for flint. So we are finding out for the flint, 1.5 is equal to 0.5 minus n to 6 divided by 0.75, which we can write it as 50 divided by 75, multiplying numerator and denominator by 100 to make the calculation simple. This is 2 times, this is 3 times. 12 is equal to 3. So it comes out, the value comes in the minus. Is equal to minus 4 degree. Therefore, the angle of flint glass is equal to minus 4 degree. Why minus 4 degree? Minus 4 degrees comes means both are kept in the inverted way. Now we have to find out the net dispersion of the combined system. Since there are two prisms of different material combined together to produce, if two prisms of different materials are combined in inverted fashion, then it can produce dispersion without deviation and deviation without dispersion. In this problem, it is given that deviation is equal to 0. It means it certainly produces dispersion because both are different glasses. So dispersion, total net dispersion by the combined system is equal to dispersion produced by the crown glass plus dispersion produced by the flint glass. So dispersion produced by the crown glass is equal to refractive index of the bigger one, blue, minus refractive index of the red into angle of that crown glass, and refractive index of the flint glass is equal to refractive index for blue color minus refractive index for red color into A dash. A for crown and A for flint glasses. As we have to find out this one, it is given, and this we have find out, which is equal to minus 4. So we can find out the combined refractive index. Combined dispersion produced by the combination is equal to DC plus DF, which is equal to refractive index for crown glasses minus refractive index of blue ray and red into angle for this one plus refractive index for flint glass for brown and refractive index for red ray into angular prism for the flint glass. So this is equal to mu b is equal to 1.51 minus mu r is equal to 1.49 into 1.49 into AC. AC is equal to 6 plus mu B dash is equal to 1.77 minus 1.73 into AC is equal to minus 4. Minus 4, 1.59. This is equal to, and then this is 2, 0 into 6 minus 1.04, 0.4 into minus 4. So this is equal to net dispersion is equal to 0.16 minus this minus into minus plus 0.12. In this problem is equal to 0.16 minus 0.12, which is supposed to be 0.4. The dispersive powers of crown and flint glasses are 0.03 and 0.05. It means we have a two prism, that is crown and flint. These are the materials. For dispersive power of crown, dispersive power of crown is equal to 0.03 and dispersive power of flint is equal to 0.05. And the refractive index of crown is equal to 1.517 and refractive index of crown flint is equal to 1.621. It is given the value. Find the relation between angles of prisms for no dispersion. No dispersion. No dispersion. No dispersion means D is equal to D1 plus D2 is equal to 0, where D in general expression is equal to refractive index of the difference of refractive index of the extreme colors into angle of prism, right? And angle of deviation is equal to 1 degree, that is rho 1 plus rho 2 is equal to 1 degree. So this is the case of no dispersion and angle of deviation. It means deviation without dispersion. So it means net deviation is equal to 1 and net dispersion is equal to 0. As we know that dispersive power is equal to refractive index of extreme color, difference of refractive index of the extreme color divided by refractive index of yellow color minus 1. So since we are taking here, we are taking the mean refractive index for the yellow color. So first condition is net diffraction, net dispersion is equal to 0. Net dispersion means D1 plus D2, that is D1. D1 is equal to, for first we will write D1 is equal to, D1 is for crown and D2 is for flint. So mu V minus mu R into angle of deviation, this is for the crown glass, plus refractive index for violet minus refractive index of red for flint glass into A dash is equal to 0. So as it is, we have seen mu V minus mu R. Mu V minus mu R is equal to omega into mu minus 1. We can write dispersive power for crown glass into refractive index of Y minus 1 for crown glass into this A plus dispersive power for crown glass, that is flint glass, into refractive index for the yellow light minus 1 into A dash. This is for film glass, this is for crown glass, S equal to 0. So now we can substitute the value as omega is equal to 0.03 enter mu y, mu of yellow color. This is for the yellow colors because it is given the refractive index 151, 1.61 for yellow light. So yellow light for crown is 1.517 minus 1 into angle we do not know plus W dash is equal to 0.05 into mu y dash is equal to, this is for flint glass, 1.621 minus 1 into A dash is equal to 0, where A and A dash is, A is for the angular prism for the crown glasses, A dash is the angular prism for the flint glasses. This we can take 3 into, this we can carry it as 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 into, this is becomes 0.157, can be written as 517 into 10 to the power minus 3 into E plus. For this we can take it 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 into, this becomes 0.621, that is 621 into 10 to the power minus 5 into A dash is equal to 0. So when we take 10 to the power minus 3 out, then this becomes 3 into 517. 3 into 517 becomes 3 into 5, 1, 3 into 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 15. 15 into 10 to the power minus 2, 5, 10 to the power minus 5 minus 2, this into E plus 5 into 6 to 1, that is 5, 5, 0, 3, 1, 0, 5 into 10 to the power minus 5, A dash is equal to, therefore, E is equal to minus 3105 into 10 to the power minus 5 A dash divided by 1551 into 10 to the power minus 5. This get cancelled. This 1551 310, this is approximately is equal to 2 point something, therefore 2.5 into of A dash. Therefore we can take A, the angular prism of the crown prism is equal to, this comes out to be minus is equal to approximately equal to minus 2 times of A dash, or we can consider A is equal to the angle of prisms of crown glass is equal to minus 2 times of A dash, where A dash is the angle of prism of flint glass. To calculate the angular deviation of 1 degree, it means the angular deviation, net angle of deviation is equal to 1 degree. So net angle of deviation is equal to deviation produced by the crown glass plus deviation produced by the flint glass, which is equal to 1 degree. And also no dispersion, it means dispersion D1 plus due to crown glass and the flint glass is equal to 0, for which we get angular deviation for the crown glass is equal to, minus twice of angular deviation of the flint glass. So now we have to find out the net angular deviation is equal to 1 degree. Net angular deviation is equal to, for crown glass, refractive index of y minus 1 into angular deviation for the crown glass plus refractive index of y for the flint glass minus 1 into angle of refraction for the flint glass radius is equal to 1 degree. It is given this plus this is equal to 1, so this plus this is equal to 1 degree. So mu y is equal to 1.517 minus 1 into angle. So angle is, this can be replaced by minus 2a. Minus 2a plus y dash. Y dash is equal to 1.621 minus 1 into a dash is equal to 1 degree. So this becomes 0.517, 0.517 into 2 minus into a dash plus. This is equal to 0.621 into a dash is equal to 1 degree. So all our calculations are coming 1 degree. This is become minus 4 plus 3, 1.034, 1.034, that is 1.034 plus of a dash we can take it common, 0.621 of e is equal to 1. So when we add this 1.631, that will become minus 0.413 a dash is equal to 1, or a dash is equal to 1 by minus 0.413, which I am calculating and the value comes up to 0.413 is equal to minus 2.4 degree. Therefore, the angle of prism of flint glass is equal to minus 2.42 degree, and A is equal to minus of 2 into a dash, that is minus of 2 into minus of 2.42 degree, which comes up to be 8, 2 to 4, 2 into 2, 8.4. So plus of degree. Since therefore A is equal to 4.84 degree, this is for crown glass, and this is for the flint glass is equal to minus 2.42 degree. The negative comes, it means the crown, this is crown, and the crown and flint should be kept in both the angles should be kept invertedly, oppositely. The angle should be oppositely equal. This is for crown, this is for flint, and this is mu1, this is mu2.